Go in the Dark Cinder. Right there for PS3. Platinum treasure chest. Let's go. Come on. Ooh. Enchanted star shell. Whoa, and genies. For the first time. Woohoo!
Shadows.
Oh. We already have them.
Trigger happy.
Big Bang Tree. Oh my god. Look, is it?
What?
Frino, look, Frino.
Where's the
Turbo Jetpack.
Where's the Easters?
I don't know, Turbo Jetpack. Frino.
Let's look for more.
What else? Oh,
What is there?
wait, is that? Come here. I know, come here. Look.
Oh my god.
Come here, follow me. Another one.
Oh my god.
Come on. Here.
What?
We're gonna.
Find it?
Oh my. Fright Rider. Series 2 Fright Rider.
Why I'm holding this?
For the first time.
Why we're holding this?
Oh, first
Is
single
this
pack
for
I've ever seen
Kai's?
for Double Trump.
Is it?
No, you.
It's for me?
Yeah, look,
gonna
Slam Bam.
buy
Series
it
2
for
Slam
me?
Bam. Yeah. Oh, Wrecking Ball. Series 2 Wrecking Ball. Series 2 Lightning Rods. Hot Dog. Series 2 Hot Dog. And Flame Slinger. Come on, follow me. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm just looking for a good one too. There might be other good one, but for sure we're gonna get that. We might get a Frino. Yeah, we might get a Frino or an Enchanted Starstrike. Yeah. Well, how much are they?
We're going Skylanders hunting.
Oh, that's not bad.
Let's make a video.
I am.
Whoa, we're going
Series 2 Drobot.
Oh my god. Wow.
I know. Series 2 Slam Bam I've ever seen in single pack. This in a single pack. I've got them in a triple pack. Single pack.
Oh my god.
Single
hot
pack.
dog. I like hot dog.
Single pack. Which one?
This.
Fine, I'll get this. No, get this. We'll get that. There's lots of those. Fine, yeah, you get that. I'll get this.
Now we have hot dog.
Or should I get drill? Yeah, I'll just get this.
Ow.
But this
Find it.
is hard to find here.
Oh my god, look.
But engine.
Come on, I'm gonna show you some more. Hello. Come on. I'm gonna show you something. Frozen.
Sweet. Look. Wait, what else? What about a Frino?
Right.
Frino.
Or this.
What about a Frino?
A frino means you have to
Or
hold
this.
Frino. Come on.
Wait, is there?
Maybe Enchanted Hoop.
You have a choice of these three.
Maybe
Which one?
this.
You're gonna get that? Okay. Let's take this.
But no this.
I'll look for another one that's cheaper. So. Where? Where? Oh. Let's look for one for Xbox. Never mind. Let's just keep looking for Skylanders. I'll be looking for Skylanders, okay? Here, give me.
Hi.
I'll hold it.
Can I go with you?
Yeah. Come on.
Go.
Come on. I want a Nitro Freeze. Oh, wait, that's Target. But this is the only place. Where? That's just.
Lots and lots and lots.
But that's the same thing. Okay, come on. Let's look for more there. Let's just go back here.
Come on, somebody else is doing it.
I want to get a Frino too.
Yeah, that's
And a turbo jet vac.
How about this?
Because we only have 2 air.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably just get this or a Frino
Or this.
or an Enchanted Star Strike.
Or hot dog, because I like hot dogs.
Yeah.
Now what
Come on,
we swapping. No swapping.
swap it.
Swap it. I
Careful.
just did it like that.
Careful. Blast buckler. Wash zone. Oh. Oh no, it's mixed up.
Then
messed
you
up.
have
Wait,
to
is that- no,
put
no,
it
no,
like
no.
that. Stop.
Wait, is it? Don't.
This magnet on here.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's all tangled. Is that you tangled it up? Like all of it. Oh, there you go. Wash buckle. Bless her. What else can we find? Whoopsie. Look, another hot dog. Firebone hot dog.
Oh.
Get this one instead.
Okay.
Firebone hot dog.
This one, you have to put it with the others.
Firebone hot dog.
I like
Just
that.
put it here first.
Like that.
These 2. We're gonna get those 2.
I've got A star.
We might.
Yeah.
Yeah. This. Take that one. I'll take that one. Okay.
Okay.
But I wanna get a Frino too.
Okay.
Whatever.
Did you
Here.
put
Wait.
it-
Hold it. Hold it. Only 2. Come on. Wait, how much were these? Look, come here.
Philippines coming in, fit call 150, please. Infant call 150.
These are what? Here, let's try to bring it to Dad. Come on. Let's look for them now. This way.
Hold this.
Come on. Go in front. Go in front.
Go in front.
Go, run. Where are they? Oh, it might be at the shoes still.
Yeah.
Where?
Here, right here.
Oh. Backpack. Okay, let's go.
Let's go find it.
They still might be at the shoes. Come on.
Must be there.
Turbo jetpack. Firebone hot dog.
Now we have steel pool.
Come on, let's look down here.
It smells good.
Where are they?
Maybe go here. Come.
Follow me.
Come on.
Where else would they be? Come on, let's just go look at the toy section. Come on, let's go. Toy section.
Go section.
Where is it?
There, I see it.
You do? Come on.
Go there.
Wait, where?
Go there.
Where? Oh,
Come on. Let's go.
toy section. That's whole. Come here, come here, come here.
I want these toys.
Come on,
Come on. Go on here.
come on. It's not toys, dude.
This way.
Come here. Should be. Come on.
It could be.
Oh, look.
Oh. Lonely. Countdown.
More light cores.
Lots and lots and lots and lots.
Come here. Hold me. Oh, it's black.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Come on. There's nothing there. Okay, come on. Let's just go find them. Where would they be though? Wait a minute. Follow me.
Maybe that. Because maybe they live there. Maybe they left.
There's just people around here, so I'm just gonna come. I feel weird when people look at me with the camera. So I'll cover it.
There.
Where are they?
There. Follow me. Follow me.
Where are they?
Follow me.
They might be at the boy dress.
I'm trying to look for it.
Come on. Where? They.
They're right here. Oh, Sonic!
Sonic. This is our first Skylander hunting video with YouTube. Come on. Just look for them.
We don't have much time.
Hello. Hi.
So, we must be hunting for all of them. So guys,
Where are they?
where are they?
I don't know. We're not lost. We're with the Skylanders. They can help us.
Yeah.
But for sure they'll be at the clothes.
Yeah.
Because that's where we always are.
Yeah. Clothes are not scary.
Come on.
Right, Cyrus? Follow me. Come on.
They should check the food.
Yeah.